Like many mid-sized cities, Chattanooga faces some significant challenges. Everything from severe income inequality and racial disparity to unequal access to education and legacy environmental challenges. Additionally, there is limited funding and limited technical capacity within City Hall to take on some of these programs. But Chattanooga has real strengths. During our February residency, we've met a vibrant community which we wanted to embrace. We saw collaborative nonprofits and foundations. We found a progressive city administration and a growing technology startup ecosystem. We wanted to embrace these strengths and build it into a core part of our strategy. We believe that civic technology can be a tool to build capacity in communities to address some of these challenges. So for our fellowship engagement, we're pursuing a strategy of fostering the civic technology ecosystem to build resiliency and capacity within the community to address some of its toughest problems.
So let's say you're in Chattanooga, and let's say that you have an idea on how to solve a community problem with technology. Well, let's look at what do you need to be successful? We believe that there are a couple core tenets to a robust civic technology ecosystem. And this year, we're working on making sure that they're present in Chattanooga for anyone to use. So what are those things? Slide failed. So the first thing is a robust developer community, which you will see with these lovely avatars in 2 seconds. So right now, Chattanooga already has a Code for America Brigade. It's called Open Chattanooga. It's been around for a while. But we see more opportunity here. Chattanooga is a burgeoning technology ecosystem. There's lots of startups. There's lots of people interested in data. There's lots of reporters. What we're doing is bringing all those people together to make sure that those partnerships and those relationships last longer than just our year engagement. What else do you need? Well, you need some top-level buy-in to show that open data is actually a good thing. Well, to that end, we wrote some policy with the mayor's office, and we got it passed, and this is the new Chattanooga open data policy. Thank you. What this does is it directs the city to take inventory of its valuable data and subsequently open it up to the public for anybody to use. So where does that data live? Well, there's now an open data website at Chattanooga that's hosted by the Chattanooga Public Library. And we launched it just 3 weeks ago, and there are already 35 data sets on there. This represents a single point of access for any information about the city. And it also represents a rallying point for this burgeoning community of local data consumers. But you also need to involve the community. You can't do this alone. So we secured a grant from a local nonprofit, and with a strong partnership with the mayor's office, we're creating the Civic User Testing Group in Chattanooga. This is a set of regular Chattanoogans who get paid to test out your civic application and your civic site. And what this means is you can easily involve the community, and better yet, get feedback super quickly. You also need some really good data. So we're targeting the B and the 3 Bs. We're targeting transit data. We worked with the local transit agency to publish their schedules in an open format and make it available on Google Maps for anyone to use. In addition, we're making it easier for developers to get access to this data. We've built a couple APIs, and our real-time bus location API has already been used in a couple of projects. This is fantastic, because what this really represents is the community and the government coming together to do far more than either could alone. We've also deployed LocalWiki, which is a site that the community can use to talk to itself. But finally, if all that's in place, you still need some inspiration. You still need an indication of what the power of open data is. So we built BestNest, which is an app that uses open data to help Chattanoogans make better decisions about where they live. It has code violation data and even electricity cost estimates from the local power company. And we'd love to hear your feedback on this. So bestnestapp.com, and please sign up to follow along on our journey.
So taken together, all the pieces that you've heard about form a healthy civic technology ecosystem. Our goal is to foster a resilient network of open data, inclusion, innovation, and progressive government service improvement that will thrive in Chattanooga for years to come. We're Giselle, Jeremiah, and Jason. We would love to talk with you after. Please come join us at our table. We've got moon pies made in Chattanooga for you to eat. And we're really excited about this working in Chattanooga, and we'd like to hear about how it might work in your city. So please come talk to us.